Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment methods so that you can start receiving payment for your goods and services. All right, so what we're going to do is navigate to setup over here on the bottom left-hand side, and then we're going to click on e-commerce. And from here, we're going to click on payment. So now we can start adding our payment methods. So first, we're going to add a manual payment method. So this is if you are receiving bank transfers or cash in your hand. This is when you're going to use the manual type payment method. So let's go ahead and just call this cash. It's a manual type, and then you would select your currency. You can also add a description if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my currency. Let's make it US dollars. And then you want to choose your availability. So here you can decide whether this payment method is available to all users or just a select few. Generally with manual type payment methods, you do want to make it available to just a few users, people that you really trust to actually make the payment to your business. And then we're going to make sure that our payment method is enabled and hit save. All right, but what if you want to start receiving payments by cards? Well, then you're going to need to set up integrations like Stripe. So to do that, we're going to navigate over here to our integrations, and we're going to add an integration. From here, I'm just going to call it credit card, and then you can choose the status for it to be active, and then you're going to choose your integration type. So you'll see here that we have a bunch of different integrations that you can add. So if you wanted to add Stripe, you would then put in your publishable key. This is information that you're going to get from Stripe itself. So you're going to have to go to your Stripe account and get your publishable key and your secret key. Now I know that the Stripe integration doesn't actually work in the demo version of the system that I'm working in. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up a Flutterwave account, for example. And again, just put in my public key and my secret key, and then select my payment methods. So I'm going to make sure that this is a card payment and a credit payment, and I'm going to hit save. It's going to give me information. If you are setting up an actual Flutterwave account, please do read through this and make sure it's all set up properly. But for the sake of this example, I just want to show you how to set up the payment method with the integration. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now my credit card integration is set up. I'm going to navigate back to e-commerce, and I'm going to come back to my payment, and I'm going to add another payment method. So I'm going to click add payment method. I'm going to call this credit card, and then I'm going to select my type. So I'm going to select the integration that I just created. So in this case, I did call it credit card, and now I'm going to select my currency. So I'm going to select all of my currencies, and I'm going to make it available to all of my users, choose my status to be enabled, and hit save. So now I have those two payment methods that have been added to the system. You can add as many payment methods as you need to or as your business uses, but this is how you can set up those different payment methods in the system.